Hey guys, it's Jared here to go over today's daily trade recap. I took 2 trades today and one of them was on NIO. You can kind of see it on the screen right now. And this is kind of hard to watch. It was a winner for me. I don't often play reversals. I'm normally a trend trader. I don't try and do a lot of reversal trades, but this one caught my eye because if you look on the 5-minute chart, we've been pressing all morning, very strong stock. And then we seemed to hit a wall here. It took everything this stock had to push up to this 45 level. This 45 level is not only 45, which is a nice round dollar, but also this is the 20 moving average on the daily chart as well. So it took everything it had to press up, and then it started trickling down on huge volume. And so this is why I was interested. It had been on such a tear, it looked overbought, and then the volume started coming in really bearish. So I don't normally do this, but I took it short. I was watching it for a while as it teetered around here, and I'm really proud of myself for resisting trying to get in at 44.50 for the downward move. I actually kept looking at the chart and I said I want to get in really close to 44.80. I got in at 44.76. And I took partials really quick because I don't feel this isn't my normal, this isn't a strategy I use often. And so when it goes in my favor, you know, I'm stressed out. I really wanted to decrease my share size in a profitable way. So I took partials pretty quick here, but it ended up being a nice trade for me. What's so sad is I knew it was going to come down to this $40 level because VWAP was there as well as previous day close. And look at this. I still had a pretty big position left, and I got stopped out by 2 cents. I got stopped out at 44.75, and it pushed up to 44.77 before it dumped. And so I almost got the full move I wanted, but still, this is still a nice trade for me. And so that was my second trade of the day. My first trade of the day was actually on ACB. Now this one was a slow moving trade, but this is far more my style. So we push up through all these moving averages, we get right above them. Now I did take this right below that with a stop out below VWAP. So I did take it right below the 200 MA, which isn't totally me, but on the daily chart we're actually just above the 200 moving average on the daily. So it's a combination of, I like the fact that all the big volume spikes here were all on the bullish side of things. So on the downside, we weren't really getting much volume. I liked the pattern as it was setting up. I liked the levels of support with VWAP as well as like the $50 mark, etc. as support for me. And I took partials as we go up. The thing is, I don't like to trade stocks under $10 because they just don't move as much. You know, I'm used to things being able to capture $1 from my entry to my best exit or more. That's pretty common. And these $10 stocks, you know, to get $1 move out of them, I mean, that's a huge move. So it's tougher to do, they're tougher to trade for me, and they require a lot more patience. But I was pretty patient, and I'm proud of that. So I scaled out, so my entry was 961, and I was able to partial out all the way up to my best one being 983. So my best partial was 22 cents, but this was still a really nice trade for me. So those are my 2 trades of the day. Hope you guys had a good day. It was a great day for me. I'm going to finish my day at, what is it? 97% of my daily profit target. So really happy with my day. It could have been even better, but I got shaken out before this big move by 2 cents. I love my entry. You know, I just couldn't hang on, and it's sad, but you know, I set a break-even point. Look at this. Oh, it's hard to watch, but I still had a great day. Hope you guys did too.